Hello friends, today we'll discuss how to show or hide related lists based upon some condition in ServiceNow. Sometimes you will get a requirement like that, like in some stage, and when the incident state is on hold or in progress, that time we have to show or hide some related list. So that kind of requirement will implement it today. So for implementing that type of requirement, we'll take one use case. The use case is that we have to hide the incidents related list from problem record when state is new. Means, let's go to the instance, and if I show you here, problem dot list means, like here when the state is new, I want to hide this incident related list. So how we'll do that? For that we'll write one UI policy. Okay, so let's open one duplicate tab and search UI policy in filter navigator and click on new. And here from select table, that is problem, put the short description, hide incident related list when state is new. And here we have to put the condition. So I want to hide this related list when the stage is new. So state is new, and here we have to write the script, check on run script. And what happened when the state is new? So that condition, that function, we have to write that kind logic, we have to write it here. So execute if true means here, like when the state is new, I have to hide this incident related list. So for that, write g_form dot hide and related list, and here under bracket we have to pass the related list name. So how you will get this related list name? So just click on this 3 lines, click on configure, click on list control, and copy this related list name. This is the related list name, and that you have to put it here. Okay, so here under this, execute if false means when state is not new, that time what we have to do? So that time we have to show this related list, right? So we have to write g_form dot show related list, semicolon, and then name to paste it here. Yes, let me check it again. The table is problem, short description, condition, state is new. What happened when the state is new? Then it will hide the related list. What happens? And execute if false means it will show the related list. Yeah, I think it's right. Let's save it. Now check it. Just refresh the form once. Open any problem record. Rather than opening, we'll create new problem record. That will be better. Okay. So I will create problem record. So test hiding, testing of hiding related list, and just save it. So when currently, if you see the problem record state is new, so as per the condition, the incident related list will not show. But when its state is not new, means it may be access, root cause analysis, fixed in progress, that time that incident related list will show here. So let's move to the access state. For moving the state, we have to select the assignment group and assign to. Just save it. Yeah, now state is access. So as per the condition, now incidents related list will show here. Yeah, you see the incident related is showing now. So I hope you got the logic here. Like means when the state is new, that time we have to hide this related list, and when state is not new, maybe some access or root cause analysis fix in progress, that time this related list will be visible. I hope you got it. Thank you.